Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this Ofada sauce, also known as the designer stew. So guys, let's get started. So here are the ingredients I'll be needing for my Ofada sauce. I have here 3 large green bell pepper. I have a bit of red bell pepper. Here I have the tiny green peppers which are a bit spicy, onion. I have my stock cube. Here I have my locust beans, the blended one, which is ew. And here I have my red palm oil, red oil. And here I have some salt. So next I'll just go wash all the vegetables and blend them. But before then, here's the meat I'll be using. I have some more cow leg, goat meat and tripes. We will also be needing some boiled eggs. So now let's blend. So after blending, we'll be draining the water from the paste. This is because Ofada stew doesn't need to be watery, it needs to be dry. Some people avoid this process and go straight to steam this paste before using. So here's the excess water from the paste. I won't be needing it. This is how the paste look like now. So now let's get started with our sauce. So next I put a pot on fire and add in some palm oil. A good amount, depends on the quantity of your paste. Next, bleach your oil and put in salt and covering it so the smoke doesn't evaporate much. So now I guess my oil is bleached enough, not so much. Next I'm just going to throw in some chops of onion. You can as well dice your onion, but I like putting mine like this. So I'm going to stir fry my onion for about 2 minutes. Now I'll go in with my blended paste and stir for another 1 minute or 2. As you can see, the quantity of my stew is very small. I always make small quantity just for me, though I was surprised my husband loved it. So after stir frying for about 3 minutes, I'm going to go in with some salt, my stock cube, adding my blended locust beans. I'm just adding little since I already added stock cube, and moreover my stew is small. So next I'm just going to add in my assorted meats. Guys, please sorry about my voice, I have a cold. So now it seems my meat swallowed up my sauce, and as you can see it's a bit dry. So what I will do is I will add in a bit of my stock from the meat, and then the stock water from the meat. So I'm just going to cover to boil for another 5 minutes. And here's it after 5 minutes. I'm just going to go in with my boiled eggs.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass okay on the family, mama says okay.
So guys, after adding the eggs, I'm just going to cover for it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. This is for the eggs to absorb ingredients from the sauce. Now this is after about 7 minutes. Our Ofada sauce / designer stew is ready, and this was so tasty. It was my husband's first time of trying this sauce and he loved it. I'll be cooking more of it. You already know that. Guys, PS, everybody has their way of making this stew. This is my own way of making it, and I've been doing it even back in Nigeria. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful and easy. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.